Continue on Empire Road for 1.5 miles.
Hi everyone, I'm super excited today to show you guys a house here in Folsom, California. We're looking at a house that's just under $2 million, and I want to show you guys what you can get for that price. If you want to see what this beautiful house looks like, stay tuned and follow me. Let's go. Okay guys, look at this kitchen. It's giant. I mean, I feel like a tiny little person. I already am a tiny little person. But it's huge, it's beautiful. You have enough space to host family and guests and have a party, what you name it. So unfortunately, the backyard is not done, but I do think it gives the new owner a clear slate to work with and design the backyard the way they want it. that's the end of the house tour. Now I really want to take you guys to one of my favorite spots here in Folsom. We love coming up here. We call it the top of the world, and we just hang out here with the family. We usually come and watch the sunset, and you just get to see the whole city. It's really awesome. It's so beautiful. It's just a good place to be at. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.